Hello everyone, welcome back to Aspararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, if you are so bored with your wallpaper, so now it's time to change the wallpaper guys. So how to do that? Let's check it out. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone first over there. So yeah, and then here you can scroll down a little bit and go to personalization. Okay, then there will be so many wallpaper, and this is the static wallpaper which I use for my phone now, and this is for online wallpaper, and there will be so many wallpaper that you can choose, and there will be so many categories, and I will choose this one for my categories, and I will choose one of them as my wallpaper. Okay, so the favorite one is this one. So you can click for it, and then you can click set wallpaper, and you can set, and you can choose between home screen wallpaper, lock screen, or both of them, and I choose both, and then the wallpaper has changed. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to change the wallpaper on Infinix Smart 8 easily, and thank you so much for watching guys.